You guys hear me? Yeah. All right, here we go. All right, so damn, I was on a roll there for a second. Um, I was just saying to Yama, this is kind of to a point the question you asked me earlier, about how I dispersed my money, my 40% up here. And I had this strategy of dispersing 20% between 19 20K and an additional 10% below 19K and an additional 10% below 17K, right? It's 19 18K or whatever it was. And the reason I did it that way is because, there's nothing guaranteed that the lows aren't in. And when I first had that strategy, that spot buying strategy, made it from 19 to 20K right here. I mean, this is 30% move, right? This is a nice 30% move. So if you had decided to sell some here and take some profits, when I was screaming at the top here, this isn't going to 28K, then you definitely could have, just in spot, you could have got an easy 30% right there, right? Then you come back down here, and although I don't like that strategy nearly as much now because we're hitting that 19K again and this is getting weaker. This is actually accumulation until it's not accumulation, right, folks? There's a lot of bullish arguments still going down to say that this is in fact bullish, right? We have consecutive 4 hour bullish divergence, right? We're on this crazy trend line right here. Crazy trend line on the 4 hour. Very clean look. Hasn't broken down this 4 hour trend line. We could climb it up. I mean, if you can imagine, they keep it here, a little accumulation, they pop it up to here or whatever they want to do. Another easy squeeze before lower. Now, with that being said, I brought up over here the regular legacy markets, and the S&P, right, isn't looking too hot. All right, let's look at the S&P weekly here. Gotta clean this up. Talking about this one last night, right? But let's just get rid of all the drawings now. And you see how the S&P is at this support. This is support, right? But it looks like it's gonna try to break through and at least wick down here to 38.15. That would be the next area of interest for me at this point. I doubt that this is gonna hold, right? This is the week going into next week. We might see some wick up, but I doubt this is gonna really hold. And then if we go down here to the lows, fam, this is gonna give you a little bit of support for a little bit, but it's just a matter of time before we're headed to 32, right, on the S&P. And if that happens, it's just a matter of time before Bitcoin heads down to the next level, which is really 12K, right? 12K on the weekly. 14K on the monthly. I do expect some nice bounce around then, but unfortunately, right, we have this a bearish structure on the we have this kind of bearish structure right here, and that goes well with the Bitcoin dominance bounce that we're seeing right now. Seeing a nice little bounce, only going to continue up, and alts are only going to lose liquidity to Bitcoin. So the weekly doesn't look too hot either, right? Like, no one's talking about the 200 MA. We have volatility going down into support. I'm not even sure if 16.2 is going to hold, which would be my next major support here. I know we hit 17.6. That will give us a little hold, but I'm telling you, we start seeing low, we're going to see lower, hopefully print a stronger bullish divergence. There is bullish divergence across the board, fam. Like I said, here's the 4 hour 4 hour bullish divergence. If we're talking big time frames, look at the 5 hour. Okay, this is a very interesting look. Or sorry, not 5 hour, 5 day. All right, and we got bullish divergence on the 5 day printing. Right, we're just climbing up here, climbing up, printing down. But this could go on forever. I mean, think about that, fam. Like, what if this is some big giant? What if this is wedge type shape? Because look, you get this. We could be pulling this bullish divergence down for like a while, right? And then we finally pop, we test the yearly level around 28, 30K, and then we come back down, I mean, there's lots of possibilities in this market. I don't think it's a bad area. I mean, think about this. We've been downtrending without a really good significant bounce. That was a bounce to 24K. That was pretty significant, 25K, whatever. There's going to be a lower high, a macro lower high. It's going to be similar to this move that we saw last cycle in the bear market. We're going to see that at some point. So accumulating at this price isn't bad. How much time do we spend at 12K? How much time do we go lower than 12, 10K? I don't think at any point, if you're just in a spot position, unless you need the money tomorrow, which you shouldn't be investing in equities and spot anyways, you should be probably using the cash for something else like savings. This is a great, we're down 60%, fam. This is a great opportunity to put 10, 20% of your cash savings into Bitcoin, in my opinion. Bitcoin, right? I did not say alts. Speaking of alts, here we go. We got an alt list here. We've been building this alt list here. We did one previous episode with this alt list, but we charted all these out. We got a dope ass chart we use here. How we all doing tonight? Good morning. I'm sorry, my mic wasn't working. It was it got VeChain last. Yep, VeChain looks like hot. We should probably update all these, right? Or not update it, but we should go back through all of them at some point and keep going through them. We got to have some more alt sessions. Man, what do you guys think? Good morning, Dutch. How you doing? Awooks, Ninja, Mandalo, Yama, Scam Chad, Florian, Quincy. What's up, everyone? What up, AB Trader? Shorting Adam. See, let's go look at Adam because AB Trade came up in here showing some love. Let's look at Adam. Somewhere. There it is. Well, this isn't even an up. I mean, that would make sense. All these are at resistance, right? Wow. It's 2 days left in the weekly. I mean, yes, the R&R is great on a short for Adam right now. I like the volatility. Okay, volatility. We have a red flat candle, but we have 2 days left. I mean, it's not. We could probably break it down to some lower time frames. Daily, I'm not gonna be able to read the move. 2 day, getting weaker. BINGX. I mean, Adam could keep going. It's climbing out of this. Look at this. I wouldn't short Adam right now. I just wouldn't. Just wait. Although it's at resistance to the weekly. Hold on. Weekly's flat, so man, I think the R&R is good. I mean, what a trade's a trade, right? You're gonna take that short from 1560 and put a nice low leverage short. I put my stop loss easily. This is clean as F right there. 1780 on Adam. They might even go higher, to be honest. Got a lot of liquidity there. Like look at that shit, dude. I mean, you're at resistance, so you gotta take the short. There's no doubt about it, right? So gotta do some ICP up here. Yo, how we doing this morning, fam? Tell me what's up. ICP. ICP tether. I drew on this chart at some point. Wow. That's a pretty good short. ICP is going down. They're trying to hold a lot of these up, huh? Oh yeah, you started that, Ninja? Yeah, I just AB trader. I mean, like, you risk it. Ergo, yeah, we'll look that up. You gotta tell me a little bit about it, George. Um, yo, Ninja. So what? You throw some money down, and then they give you like prop trader trading firm, right? So they give you 100K trade with, and they take like 20% of your profits, right, Ninja? Dot and link. We'll look at dot and link. Do I have dot and link on my thing? We did dot and link. We're gonna go through the rest of the 50 list here, fam. Today, we're gonna look at Ape, Phil, EOS, Mana, Sand, H bar. These are like check this out. This list, fam. Goodbye, Savage Bye. What's next on that list? Oh, we got ICP. Looking at it right now. All right, so this point, dude, not buying ICP till 514. And then like what? I don't got the longest history of ICP here. You know, it's a shit coin. Bill. I think ICP's been around since 2017, right? Isn't that a Dino coin? Considered a Dino coin? Tell me it's just considered a Dino coin. Isle coin. I remember hearing about this one. Apple down another 2%. The opening today. 2 minutes. What do you think? What are you thinking here? Filecoin's got a nice little accumulation going on here. Not gonna lie. Nice accumulation. What's gonna go down with Filecoin? I just don't like the volatility on the daily here. Weekly. Yo, Kachuk, thank you for that follow. By the way, one AB trader, thank you for that follow. Yeah, and I don't know about the dollar being popish. I don't know. We'll see. Guess. I mean, can you imagine like all these fucking coins are probably gonna go? All these coins are gonna go to shit, dude. Can you imagine them? Look at this. This is like a mini Head and Shoulders right here on the weekly. 255 for Filecoin. Congrats. 255 for File. Ape. Is ape still a thing? Is ape still a thing? Tell me. Yo, Awake is a top 50 coin. Dodge is on this list. Shib is on this list. H bar. Ape. I have an ape chart. Pretty sure. Maybe not. Damn, what a rug pull. I remember when it was like $26, $27. Gonna go down to $1. All right. $205. Well, first, I guess a good buy would be 323. EOS is a dino coin. Yes, I know that. I know that. And it looks like a dino coin. I mean, look at that shit. Looks like a friggin' dino coin. Why would anyone long this shit, dude? That was just the hourly? Oh, God. This looks like shit, dude. EOS has a cell signal. It don't look good for EOS. 85 cents is the verdict. Right here. Bam. 85 cents is the verdict. That is the verdict, fam. Here we go. 85 cents. The verdict is in, fam. 85 cents. Mana, baby. Web 3. Mana, baby. Who's excited about Mana? Let me see some Mana fans up in the house. I know there's some Mana fans up in the house. I love the word Mana. You know what I'm saying? Just love it. Gemini? It's on Gemini? Bitstamps got Decentraland? Oh. Yo. I guess we'll use the Coinbase one. Oh, gotta use the Binance. Binance is king. I hate them. I hate them because we can't be on them, you know? I hate that, like, I don't want to be on Binance US. I just hate that, like, we can't be on regular Binance, you know? It's just so lame. I'm pretty sure the UK is like that too, right? This coin doesn't look too good. You know? Know what I'm saying, fam? Watch that Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin breaking down right now? I think it's breaking down. But the S&P open at. Hold on a second. Quick market update, baby. We got our mono range right there. Really clean. Probably going to 22 cents. So 48.22. Quick S&P look here. All right, there we go. Daily. There's no reason to believe we're. Oh, it's so bad. Just grab a short, fam. Grab a short. I mean, how does this not break down? I know I'm grabbing a support at. I'm grabbing a short at support right now, but like, how does this not break down? Tell me. Somebody tell me. Explain to me, how does this not break down? How is this not gonna break down today? So can somebody tell me? Oh, that's lame, Quincy. You know what's crazy? I have one of those mornings where I swear I took a short right here. 19.830. And then I went and checked and I wasn't in an open position. That's the one of the mornings I had. What would we say I'm on? 49 cents and 22. We're gonna try to run it back. Sand. All right, so we got yeah, Ninja, I know. Adam, bro. Adam going down. All right, hold on. Let me pull up Sand real quick. I'll pull up Adam. This one. I know, but look at this, dude. It's like endless. Look at this. Look at the... I don't have everything on this one. Why don't I have everything on this one? Oh, that's the wrong chart. Here's all alts. Damn, dude. Things are getting slaughtered. Let's keep our roll going though. All right, we gotta get Sand. I just think there we go. Here's my EOS. Here's the ape. All right, here's let's look at this one. I made this back in the day. Look where my buy zone for EOS was. That shit, dude. Right here. I ain't buying this shit coin. It's in an M shape right now and it's breaking down a major trend line. EOS, look at that. Boom. That looks hideous. Hideous. Let's see if we can find something like that on now we're not even going to talk about short and fucking Adam. Okay, it was like short and fucking Matic, dude. I learned my lesson on that shit. Absolutely brutal, you know. All right, so what we got? Sand. We got to put up some prices on Sand. Wow. See, look at this, fam. This is, talk about shorting opportunities. This is textbook, fam. Oh my goodness. Sand. You want to take a short, you might as well just take it on Sand. It is losing support as we speak. Like, this is, it could, look, fam, this shit could get saved today. This shit could wick up. Could wick us out. You never fucking know, fam. You know? Mag, that piece of shit. Gotta go. One AB, yo, thank you for stopping by, bro. I appreciate you, man. Thank you. I appreciate I appreciate the feedback. You know, we come here, we're just trying to chill. Just have a good time. Trying to be a chill stream. Nothing crazy. We're not, you know, we're not out here trying to reinvent the wheel here, fam. Okay? Look at this. I bet you got BNB got something like that, huh? No, BNB. Volatility picking up on the weekly, though. Ooh. What about this one, though? This is a weekly trend line? Right? Look at that shit, dude. Volatility picking up on this down weekly. Oof. What happens when we break this line? 209. What happens when we break this line right here? I don't know. What happens when we break the 209 line? $200. What happens, fam? We have to figure that out. We're gonna find out soon. It's not if, it's when, fam. You know? What's gonna happen? I know what's gonna happen, fam. Can somebody tell me what's gonna happen when it breaks 200? Sand right now, we have a beautiful short popping through. This weekly closes underneath this neckline. That is an easy play, fam. That's a huge head we're talking about. Like, this is... Oh, that makes so much sense. That would make so much sense right there, dude. That would make so much sense. Do y'all seeing this right now? Hey, Awake, I need you to post this signal up in the Discord right now. I need you to put up a sand short. We're going to need a drastic change of events. Look at this weekly. Hourly. What are we talking about here? All right, going back to sand. We're getting a little bit sidetracked here. Savage. All right. All right, sand. Smaller time frames. Oh no, wait, we were just looking at sand. So I guess 8 cents to 18 cents. So 18 cents would be a good buy. 18 cents, fam. Okay, would be a good buy. A savage buy, fam, would be 8 cents. Getting sand for, that is right, fam. For a dime, less than a good buy. That would probably be my savage buy in the worst case scenario, fam. Again, we have our good buys and our savage buys. Good buy for Bitcoin, I believe, is under 20K. We should probably put the less than sign here. It's specifically under 20K. So right now would be a time you should be buying spot. Okay. We're going up to H bar next, though, fam. Okay. H bar's next. Let's hit this shit. Hope you're enjoying the music. Hope you're enjoying the vibes. I'll make it quiet here for a second. I like to focus. Another candle right now that looks like it's going to plow through resistance here. The same look on H bar that we have on sand. A head and shoulders type of pattern here, fam. Hitting resistance. Oof, this is gonna get ugly. Everything I see, including Bitcoin, fam, has this head and shoulders type of shape here. Like I said, it doesn't mean it's gonna play. But if it plays, fam, watch out. Watch out. S&P is just looking for more blood, fam. We are so close to the lows now. I can taste it. H bar, baby. H bar. Okay, so anyways, let's go back to the H bar chart. The weekly right here. Oh, man. Oh, no. E chart. Here we go. H bar. Losing track here, folks. I'm losing track. Got some really nice lows here we could touch, right? 1 cent H bar. Ooh, 1 cent. I can feel it. I can feel it. All right, so I guess 2.8, 2.8. Eight, 4, and the next one after that, the Savage by price would be 1 cent, fam. 1 cent H bar. 1 cent H bar, fam. That is right. A 1 and a 2. Actually, well, just, you know what? We're gonna be conservative with this. We're gonna say a 1, almost just a little bit less than 2 cents, fam. H bar is what we're gonna probably be picking it up at, and we're gonna have to watch H bar, fam, because a lot of these projects will not be around in 2-3 years. I can't stress that enough. I can't stress that enough. So do not go all in. Don't put your eggs all in one basket, fam. Okay, I don't just buy Bitcoin. I buy some Ethereum. I buy some. I have a little bit of sand, a little bit of mana. I have way too much Link. I have way too much Ren. You don't know what those are, just don't ask me, okay? But I bought those much lower, and now like I'm holding on to my bags from still low, still in profit, but I didn't sell at the top. Like, it's complicated. Like, sometimes moving assets from like a ledger and wallet, like, it's just it's annoying. Yes, that's true. Truck, that is true. By the way, thanks for that follow, Truck. I didn't say that already. Bezos is next, fam. Bezos is next. Watching the Bitcoin. Let's go. Look, let's take a little break here. Let's just take a little break. Over here. Oops. Just watch these lower time frames, because Savage, to be honest, just wants to see this die, okay? Just wants to see this go to these range lows. It's time. What are we talking about here? What are we talking? Just send it lower. Just send it lower. Put us out of our pain and suffering. Satoshi, I know you can hear us, Satoshi. Send us out of our pain and suffering. Rip the band-aid off. The wound needs to heal and breathe. Rip the band-aid off. We no longer need the band-aid. Come on, Satoshi. We got this. I don't want to see the band-aid anymore. I don't want this pain and suffering. Get rid of this. The poor animal. Just get rid of the animal. We just gotta. It didn't seem like 98% of Kachuk, you haven't been here since 2017. Like, the amount of coins people don't even talk about that were like a top coin in 2017, like, it's just yeah, dude, there's so many. Dude, all right, look, watch this. Here's a perfect example. Okay. Hold on a second. All right, so this is the top 10 coins the same time in the bear market we were in 2018. Around the same time. Not same conditions, but you ready? Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Stellar, Litecoin, Tether, Cardano, Monero, Dash, IOTA, Tron, Neo, Ethereum Classic, Finance Coin, VeChain. I mean, I guess they're all still around. They're all still here. Those are still... Crypto's so early, fam. Think about how many of these are still in the top 50. They're all still in the top 50, basically. This was September 9th, 2018. You can do this with any week on crypto. I thought about doing like a segment and be like, this time 5 years ago, the top 50 coins. I mean, let's go through the top 50. Have you heard of this one? Omis Go. OMG. I'm pretty sure it's gone. Look at some of these. Bitcoin Gold. Are we fucking Bitcoin Gold? Decred. Yo, OX. Bitcoin Diamond. You guys remember that shit, dude? Look at this, dude. The market needs to flush. Think about what is around right now. We need a flush. Just kill it. Just kill it. Destroy it. Just die, Bitcoin. Go down. Come on, Bitcoin. It's time, Bitcoin. Come on, it's time. Just pull off the band-aid. Why are they holding it up? Like, who is buying right now? Besides CZ Binance. Just send us lower. Very frustrating right here. I want to just, I mean, come on. This is ridiculous, dude. Just keep going lower. It's just is ridiculous. You know? This is ridiculous. Like 1.5%? Bitcoin's holding here? Like, what are we talking about? What are we talking about? All right, it's all right, Katruck. Ninja, I would like to see 18.5 again. Honestly, I'd like to see 18.5, but I don't know, man. Somebody is holding the price up, and it's one of those things. I'm gonna have to look at the Exos chart. I don't know what's happening right now. They're trying to trap like what is this? Damn, dude. There's actually the delta in the last three out of the last 5 minute candles. The delta has been positive green 2 mil, 1.6, 1 mil basically on Bybit. Like, Bybit is absorbing the shit out of this, dude. But they couldn't absorb the last 5 minute candle as 18 million volume came in. I mean, this is. We might get it. We're waiting for the S&P to just keep plowing through, right? Getting blurry eyed here. Love to just start a short, like 45 minutes ago. Yeah, I honestly, I was going through. Kind of looks like it. I honestly swear I grabbed one at 8:15 morning, but I looked at my phone and I wasn't in one. So that was cool. That was cool. I love that. Don't you love when you think you are in a trade and you don't take it? Ugh, excuse me, I'm yawning. Trying to get into a schedule where I'm up chilling with you guys like this a few hours in the morning, like a few days a week. It'd be cool, right? You know, it's like somebody always knows something before us, you know? It always seems like that in this market. It always seems like that. Somebody knows something before you. You know? I don't know. Are we going to hold this level? So. Market's dumb right now, dude. Market's dumb, fam. Okay? Bitcoin's holding price. Meanwhile, Apple... I closed the rest of my puts yesterday because they expire today. Okay. So because they expired today, I had to make a choice and I closed them. I could have stayed in until they settled this afternoon and gotten an extra. Apple right now is down 2.3%. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's fucking around trying to pretend like it's gonna hold here. What are we talking about here? Just send us lower. Stop trying to trap little shorts like me. You know? That's how I see it. Dumb market. Well, we just had a hourly change. Hold on. I don't gotta touch shit, dude. I ain't gonna get squeezed. 2 hour. Such. You guys are such pigs. S&P flipped over a 30-minute. Look at that. Rate hikes next week. They're just trying to squeeze a little bit more out of this market, but even so, like, you know, just be patient. I feel like hold the short and be patient. Yeah, I know it's crazy. I know it's crazy, but so people understand this. First off, they're trying to kill time, right? They're trying to kill time by holding this range, because they're lengthening their time. They're trying to give themselves more time here to hold the lower support, as well as by absorbing here, they don't get hit as hard at the lower support, so they can have more control at like 18.5, 18.3, wherever we're going next. And that's why they do this. It's really the length and time. Like, if you noticed, right, when we break down here, let's talk about this breakdown right here. Let's talk about like how they slow down time in the first initial kind of impulse down, right? So here's the first impulse down. Takes about, I don't know, 1 day and 4 hours to complete. And then they spread out that time. And if you go from the bottom and then you see how much time they spend to the next impulse, 6 days. 1 day down, 6 days sideways, right? 1 day down, maybe even 2 days down right there, right? 8 days sideways. You know, 1 day down, 3 days sideways, whatever this was, 4 days sideways. God, if you could hear my CPU right now, it sounds like it's going to blow up because this price action right now. Like, Trading View working a million miles an hour, Exos charts working a million miles an hour. 2 days, right? We spent down there. And it's the same thing with the move up, right? They're trying to basically create this larger time frame, bullish divergence, to use it, fam, right? So here's the 5-day, even the 10-day has, here's the 10-day. Yes, I know the 10-day looks really bad, fam. The 10-day looks really bad, but either way, you have bullish divergence right here on a large time frame. I mean, it's pretty significant, right? So it means it's bullish divergence, but it doesn't necessarily mean it's bullish. And I've been playing it because that's what TA folks, that's what they teach you. They teach you to play something like this. This is supposed to be bullish. It's supposed to give you a nice bounce, but problem is there's a lot of absorption going on right here. So they're absorbing to keep the price up, which makes the bullish divergence. And you know, you just should, unfortunately, not all bullish divergences play out. Let's just put it that way. We have this 4-hour bullish divergence we've been making, but it looks like it's breaking down right now as we speak, but it's still not, still holding. Actually, it looks like it's still holding. Here comes the absorption and the pop. What, we got the S&P popping right now? Of course. Nice. Doesn't really matter. So, right, like, even if they hold going into, somebody always knows something. Look at that. Like I said, even if they hold, look at, they lost his trend line. It's not like a head and shoulders up. But even if the weekly holds here, which the weekly is at, people talking about closing below support. Well, really, we could go as low as, and they know they got that large time frame bullish divergence, fam. They're trying to rip it back. They are trying to get a nice bounce going, at least to like maybe 20.6k, I would say, but I don't know if they're going to be able to pull it off. They could bring it down to 38.11. Some strength in this bounce right here on the 15-minute. I mean, I'll check that out. Uh-oh. Nice, Awaken. Nice look. Was the V shape on the cap? What do you mean? It says Savage. All right, we gotta go back to a little bit of a stud-in. God, it looks so bad. Look at this shit, dude. Looks so bad. All right, H bar. Is that what we're doing next? No, we're done with H bar. I'm telling you, good trades are like go take that sand short. Yeah, I'm not buying the bullish divergence anymore, unfortunately. It's just, I mean, just the ones I'm seeing, it's just not. Just doesn't look good, right? They can only hold it up there for so long. They're trying. Look at the resistance right there. It is brutal. Brutal out there. It is a we got breaking news, man. We got a storm that just hit Bitcoin in the face, knocked it down at least 3 levels, lost its foundation, flooding everywhere. No children were involved, thank goodness. But currently Bitcoin is in a tornado of volatility. Alright, so H bar we're done with. What's next on our list? Jesus. Hayes has been around forever, huh? Coinbase. Probably doesn't look any better than any other ones, huh? Atom probably looks the best right now, but it has a very similar macro structure as Matic, and Matic's finished, so it's just a matter of time before this is another great short opportunity right here. These weekly engulfings are just, oh, it's like Bitcoin trying to hold here to kill alts, but yo, look at all this liquidity for Tezos. Look at this. Because it's a dumb market, that's why you gotta like take profits sooner, you know? When we're like sub 19.5, should just fucking close that short. Now you just be patient. Probably comes right back down. Levels are pretty clean here. Did this one here? Still walking it sideways. Sideways down. But the RSI is still climbing. This. Just on the hourly. All I see them doing is making room. Like I said, it's the time factor. Get up here. Make more room here. Larger bullish divergence on another time frame. And then hopefully bounce. But that's going to be lower at that point, right? Just a game. Current resistance right here. Yeah, maybe. I doubt it though. I don't think the S&P is gonna be able to close green today. Maybe. Those algos may be hot, baby. We're at the daily now, the daily levels. We're trying. They be trying over here. See, somebody always knows something. Somebody always knows something. Yo, fam, I appreciate all you. I'm leaving. Careful with your shorts. 19.8 would be like a general stop loss for me if I had a short anywhere in this range. Maybe like 20K. Make it safe right there. Maybe they tag 20K. It's up to you. Your risk profile, all that stuff. But this is current resistance. I mean, we got to get over that hump. Come back down. You know, it's until we break this, it's really not super bearish. I would like to see 18.5 this weekend. Let's see how we close today, though, on the S&P. I'll be on later, as I always am, savage at the close. Mad love, appreciate all you. I hope you learned something from our list. Our little list over here, right? The good buy, the savage buy. Lots of great prices in the future to come. We're doing our bear market research. That's what we do here on the Savage Chart.